We're getting some breaking news now coming in of the Prime Minister in Japan. He's on his 2-day visit to the country, and you can see here he's there for conversation with the leaders there, the Japanese government. He's also meeting the diaspora, and right now what we are showing you on our screens is the first photos that have come in from Prime Minister Modi's visit to Japan. These are the visuals on your screen of the Prime Minister meeting not just the diaspora of India, but also leaders and persons, cultural leaders in Japan. These are the first photos, visuals coming in from the Prime Minister's visit, and you can see the gifts that he is being given, the cultural exchange that is happening in Japan. The Daruma doll has been given to the Prime Minister as a gift from the Japanese. It is a cultural exchange that is happening during the Prime Minister's visit to Japan. Remember, the Prime Minister is on a 2-day visit. The visuals that are on your screen right now is about the presentation of a Daruma doll by the chief priest of the Shorinzan Darumaji temple. The doll's connection to India is that it is inspired by Bodhidharma, the monk from Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu. He was born in the Pallava capital in 440 AD and travelled to China in the 5th and 6th century to spread the true Buddhist way of life. So by giving this doll to the Prime Minister, they are talking about the cultural ties, the historic ties between India and Japan. Of course, Prime Minister's visit to Japan is going to be very, very significant because we have a lot of defense, a lot of cultural ties, we have a lot of economic talks that are going to be done. He's there for the 2-day visit. There will be a summit level talk with his Japanese counterpart as well, and this is going to be a significant visit as far as the Indo-Japan partnership is concerned. And by highlighting the cultural ties between the two countries, that is how the cultural exchange is currently happening. The Prime Minister Modi's big Make in India, Make for World message in Tokyo. Prime Minister is in Tokyo for the 15th annual summit, and his visit comes at a time of global trade friction, with India facing rising trade tensions with the United States. The Prime Minister is going to be held a bilateral talk with Japanese PM Ishiba and also addressed India-Japan Economic Forum in Tokyo, urging Japanese investors to expand their presence in India. The Prime Minister has thanked the Japanese Prime Minister, calling Japan an important partner in India's development story. Key highlight of his speech was the message to Japan, inviting them to make in India and make for the world, sending across a direct message to Trump. The Prime Minister has received a grand welcome in Tokyo. Let's listen into what the Prime Minister has said at the summit.
मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करता हूं, कम मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड। सुजुकी और डाइकिन की सक्सेस स्टोरीज आपकी भी सक्सेस स्टोरीज बन सकती है। दूसरा है टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन। जापान टेक पावर हाउस है और भारत एक टैलेंट पावर हाउस है। भारत ने एआई, सेमीकंडक्टर, क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग, बायोटेक और स्पेस में बोल्ड और एम्बिशियस इनिशिएटिव्स लिए हैं। पिछले 11 वर्षों में भारत के अभूतपूर्व ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से आप सब भली भांति परिचित है। आज भारत में पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी है, इकोनॉमिक स्टेबिलिटी है, पॉलिसी में पारदर्शिता है, प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी है। आज भारत विश्व की सबसे तेज ग्रो करने वाली मेजर इकोनॉमी है। जापान हमेशा एक अहम पार्टनर रहा है। मेट्रो से लेकर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तक, सेमीकंडक्टर से लेकर स्टार्टअप्स तक, हर क्षेत्र में हमारी साझेदारी आपसी विश्वास का प्रतीक बनी है। जापानी कंपनियों ने भारत में $40 बिलियन से ज्यादा का निवेश किया है। मात्र पिछले 2 वर्षों में $13 बिलियन का प्राइवेट इन्वेस्टमेंट हुआ है।